Have you ever had a old swing set that you want to get rid of? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you the breakdown on how to get rid of this one behind me. As you can see, it's your standard swing set, seahorses, slide, embedded in the ground with some cement. So at first, I'm gonna go ahead and break down the swing set itself, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rip out the cement blocks. All right, all I'm gonna be using is an impact drill with a Phillips bit and pliers. You could go ahead and get the right wrench to help you along with it as well. I just find pliers to be a little bit quicker to go ahead and dismantle stuff. All I like to do is have a box for all the hardware to get dumped into. Makes it a lot easier. Don't try that. I hit this over, usually breaks that other plastic piece in there, and then you could just slide this right off. So, remove. There you have it. 4 posts out, swing set gone. I hope this was entertaining. I know I gotta work out. If you would, do me a favor, before I run out of breath, hit the like button. That would help me out if you liked this video. If you really liked it, subscribe to the channel, and you could catch the latest content I'm gonna put out there. If you really, really, really like it, share it. That would mean the world to me. Till next time, stay handy, my friends. Whew, exhausted.